So today we are going to organize all the things. So we are on our way somewhere, but I realize I don't have an intro, so here it is. Welcome. I hope that you guys enjoy, get motivated to clear out some of your clutter and just, you know, organize the things. All right, enjoy, guys. Okay, so here is under the boys' sink. Dirty. Honestly, I don't even know what's under here. My mom uses this bathroom when she comes. Poor thing. Wow, we haven't used one of those in a couple years. Oh, I was looking for this. Why is it there? Anyways, wow, another one. You see, guys? Anyways, let's go ahead and clear this out and fix it. Guys, this is literally the best cleaner for your toilet. If you have like a really bad ring inside your toilet, amazing. I don't know why it's all squished up like that, but so good. It's from Amazon. I'll have it in the description box if you guys want to try it. It literally, my kids had a black, like really black ring in their toilet because they're boys, and it completely went away. The toilet looks brand new, so definitely recommend this. Okay, so I have these bins that I've been using. I love them. They're from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to continue to use them. They work very well, and I like how they look. So, and I have a little bit of space on this one, but it's okay. We'll figure out what we're doing over there. Oh, I'll probably put this. Guys, if you don't know, my sweet boy will not sit on the toilet without a seat cover. I could not tell you why. The seat can be freshly cleaned and he still will not sit. So I had to go on Amazon and buy him these. So yeah, we have them in both our bathrooms that he uses because he won't use certain bathrooms either. So I'll probably just put these over here. Okay, so technically there's not much that goes in here. A bunch of cleaning products just for them to have, and like personal hygiene stuff that I have in this bathroom. So I'll probably leave one of these bins empty, and then you know, if I need to store something additional later on, I can do that. So that's always good to have room to grow.
This is the world I've been to. This is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why.
Okay, so this is it. I mean, I literally took 5 seconds to do this. It looks better, everything has a place, and we can see everything, and it looks decent. I put paper towels in there because I have to literally make it so easy for them to be able to clean their bathrooms, because if not, they'll have 105 excuses of why they can't. So I have their cleaning stuff here, paper towels, so they can wipe all their stuff down. And then, yeah, nothing extra in here. They don't really use this bathroom like to brush their teeth or anything, or to do their hair. They use mine. Don't ask me why. So yeah, so this is just basically a bathroom that they use the toilet. This would have been great space to have half bath here because they don't use it. But anyways, that's not the point. Anyways, I'm happy with how it looks, and like I said, we have room to grow because technically that is empty. I just put that there because I could put it on the side if I really needed to. But anyways, I love it. Okay, so now we're moving on to my mug slash spice cabinet. I found a Lazy Susan spice organizer, something like that. I showed it in my shopping haul in one of my shop with me's, so I'll have that linked. But I did want to use that, and I also want to go through my spices and make sure I had nothing expired. So that's what I did here, and then we will move on to the mugs.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. I wouldn't know what to do, I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. When you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. I wouldn't know what to do, I wouldn't know.
Okay, so after I did all of that, I decided I'm going to swap it. I'm gonna put this over here and then that over there, just because it makes sense for my seasonings to be closer to my stove, which is on this side. So
You got me wrapped around your finger, tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh,
okay,
you know.
so now we are going to move on to the mugs. Guys, I go through every single mug and try and get rid of some, and it was really hard. I was emotionally attached to a lot of them. Like, they all had a story, they all had like, oh, but what if, or you know, but I forced myself to get rid of the ones that I know we just don't use, haven't used in years. A lot of the mugs that I have are for holidays and I like to decorate with them. So I did keep those and I'll put them up high. But my new rule is, if it does not fit in the bins that I purchased, then I don't need to keep it. I need to, if I buy something, I'm going to replace one, get rid of one, and then put the new one in if I really want it. So I don't see myself buying cups in a while, but just in case, that's my rule. But that's what I did here. And I know I'm losing a lot of space by using these bins, but honestly, I just feel better about it. It looks better and it gives me peace of mind. So I love it. Okay, guys, if you followed my channel even for a little bit, you know that I have organized this cabinet a million times. I just can't find something that works, that keeps me accountable, that I don't make a mess. I mean, it's not bad right now, well, before I started, but it wasn't like super easy for me either. Plus, I just didn't like the way it looked. Like when I opened my cabinet, it just didn't look pretty. And that's what I wanted. Anyways, so I put bins, and so far it has been working for me. I'm going to adjust certain things because when you organize, you use your stuff. So then you kind of realize, okay, this is not gonna work. I need to fix this, I need to change this. And so little by little, you can change how you set things up, where you put things for it to work in the long run. So, but these cabinets do look better, and I feel better about them just because they're pretty and they're working. So that's the main point.
I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you.